Even the nurse was shocked when I was born. I'm covered in excessive hair all over my body. I was born with a rare condition known as werewolf syndrome. The doctor shaved me at birth. However, my body hair kept growing, covering me like animal fur. As the years passed, my entire body became shrouded in hair. I didn't really notice anything different until I was around 6 years old. My condition made my entire childhood a struggle. I faced bullying throughout my early years, with no child willing to sit near me. I was called Monkey Man. My schoolmates used to tease me by shouting, "Monkey, monkey." They used to throw stones at me. They were afraid I would come back to bite them like an animal. Even the parents used to move their small children away from me, thinking they were scared. Growing up, my mom and dad used to worry a lot about me, but they supported and protected me. Gradually, everyone in my family started feeling normal about my condition. Today I have learned